This is Windows 11. I've used it every single day since it came out and it has never once felt right. The taskbar is in the wrong place, the start menu is ads with a search bar, and somewhere along the way Windows stopped feeling like mine. You know what felt right? Windows 7. So today I'm turning this into that. The taskbar, the start orb, the glass, the cursor, everything. And here's the thing, if this actually works, I might just keep it like this. Microsoft really doesn't want me to do this. You will see why, and now let's go. The first part here is super easy. Let's change the position here of the taskbar icons to the left. Right click here, taskbar settings, and inside the personalization, let's just remove widgets here. So now are completely gone. Let's go here down below to the taskbar behaviors and let's change the taskbar alignment to the left, just like original Windows 7. Now if I open the browser, let's search for Windows 7 taskbar on Windows 11. Several programs that make Windows 11 look like 7 even more. Everyone at this point has heard of Start is Back Plus Plus and its successor Start All Back, and if you haven't, it is how I get my taskbar the way it is and restore the original Windows context menu and Windows 7 taskbar flyout. Let's try this one, Start All Back, and let's paste it inside here, startallback.com. Let's just go here down below, download, and let's install it here on the computer. Install for me. And now it's doing something. Screen is black for some reason. So I guess this is it. Start all back configuration. Where do I want to go today? So let's go to remastered 7. And now it looks much better. And we even have here the start menu in Windows 7 style. So this looks already pretty good. And this start menu here down below also looks just like Windows 7. Now, if I go here to the start menu, let's see if we can change something. Let's try use large icons. Let's see what will happen here. Oh, this is looking pretty good already. And if we go here to the taskbar, let's see if we can change something here. Combine taskbar buttons is right here. Always hide labels. Let's put this to never so we can see here the application title. So it has this really cool glowing effect. Now, if I go here to the tray icons, let's put this to Windows 7 and Explorer also to Windows 7 command bar. So now it looks much better. And if I click on this, it has even this Windows 7 flyout, which looks pretty cool. And if I hover my mouse over this, we have this even really nice preview with the X button. So that is pretty cool. Now let's continue here with the wallpaper. So Windows 7 4K wallpaper. So let's go here to this website, stunning 4K wallpapers for Windows 7. Let's download this one, save image as, let's click here on save. And now let's go here straight to the file explorer, downloads. And here we have, I think this is the wallpaper, right click. And right now we can go here, set as desktop background. Now it does almost look exactly like Windows 7 already. Now we can also change this recycle bin icon. I think I'm just gonna remove it from my desktop. And you can see here that we even have here Windows 7 right click context menu. Before it was Windows 11. Let's go here, uncheck show desktop icon. So we got just rid of this recycle bin icon. And we can continue here with the Windows 7 cursor. So Windows 7 cursor download. We have this website, real world graphics, Windows 7 full collection. So let's just click on download. Let's click on the folder icon and right click here. And where is the option? Extract all. It's right here. Extract. Let's wait for a few seconds. And now I will have to install it, I think. So let's go here to the start menu. Let's search for the cursor and let's go here to this setting. Change the speed the cursor moves when you use the mouse. And now here down below, let's go to additional mouse settings. And if I go to the pointers, we can right now just change this one. So let's click on browse and let's go here to, I think it's desktop. Then let's go here to the downloads folder, Windows 7 full collection. Let's here first select this one, Windows 7 normal select. Then we have help select as well. But I don't think I'm going to change every single cursor here. That would be too much work. Working in background. Let's change this one. So this one working in background like this, busy. Let's change this to this one, busy. And let's also change here the link select. So like this, Windows links select. And let's click on apply. And yeah, now it is Windows 7 style cursor. So we already got done here. Windows 7 wallpaper, the cursor, the start menu is even Windows 7 like, and even the taskbar. So now let's continue here with the file explorer. So now it looks like this. Let's try to change it widget here. And I think we will have to use here Windhawk for that. So Windhawk, let's go to their website, download, and let's just get the installer here. Windhawk setup exe, completing Windhawk setup, open Windhawk. Let's click on finish. And now for the file explorer, let's go here to the explore page and let's search here for the file explorer. And I think this is the modification, Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. Let's click on the details. Let's click on install, accept, risk, and install. And now if I go here to the settings, we can change the theme here, right? So let's pick here Translucent Explorer 11. And now if I go here and open the File Explorer, we have this look to it. But I think we can make it even better. So let's go here to the Explore page, and I think we will have to search here for Translucent Windows. It's right here. So let's click on the details, install, accept, risk, and install settings. And if I go here down below, we can change here this to acrylic, just like Windows 7 has this acrylic effect. So I hope it will work. And now if I go here, close this and open the File Explorer, yeah, now it looks much better than before. You can see that we have this really cool acrylic effect to it. You can even resize the window like this. So yeah, it does look much better. And now the last thing to do, I think here, is to change the icons here on the left side as well. So let's go to the explore page, and I think we will have to search for resource redirect. It's this one. So let's click on the details, install once again. And if I go here to the settings, we have the icon theme right here, and let's pick here Windows 7 one. Where is it? I think it's this one, pane 7. So let's click on this, save settings. For some icons to be updated, the icon cache must be cleared. Do you want to clear the icon cache now? Yes. And let's see what will happen. Now for some reason it opened here the terminal, it went black, and now here it already changed the File Explorer icon. Now if I open it and if I go here, we have here new icons for the disk and the folder as well. So I think that is a win. And now I think the last thing to do here is to install some widgets on our desktop, because as far as I remember, Windows 7 had widgets. So let's go here and let's search Windows 7 widgets, and let's just go here to this first website, win7gadgets.com. Let's continue to the website. And how can I download this? Oh, I think this is maybe even for Windows 7, and I don't think it will work here for Windows 11. What if I here type in here on Windows 11? Maybe this one is the right one. So gadget pack, let's download this one. Let's wait for a few seconds. Now it's loading. Welcome to the gadget pack 42 setup wizard. Let's click on install. Yes. Show gadget when setup exits. Yeah, let's click on finish here, wait for a few seconds. And here we have the widgets. So we have the clock, we have even the weather here. We have this thing. What if I right click here? Add gadgets. I guess we can even add control panel here. And then here we have the agenda and even the calendar. I quite remember this widget right here. So I think you can pretty much then drag them right here like this. And let's put the clock even, and then let's put the weather. But how can I remove this one? So if I right click here, hide all gadgets, close sidebar. Let's try this. And now we have all these gadgets here as well. Let's just remove them. And now we are left with this three. What if I right click here? Here we have move, we have options. What if I click on options? So we can even change the style here. Let's try which one looks cool. Let's pick here number 4 and let's click on OK. It looks like this. I think that this is pretty much it. Let me show you what we pretty much did. We changed here the taskbar with this really cool style from Windows 7. Then we have the Windows 7 start menu here as well, which looks like this. And now we have even this transparency effect on the File Explorer. This was made by Windhawk. And here we even have the widgets as well as the cursor and the wallpaper. So I think that this customization has been successful. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, drop a like down below. It's much appreciated. Subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.